Mexico City. It is going to be a second victory for Pascal Wehrlein. Takes the victory for time. For Porsche becomes the 2024 Formula E World Champion.
Partners that we can rely on are truly important. That's why I'm so happy that LOCTITE is following me from Formula E to Le Mans this year.
Using LOCTITE allows us to push the limits. In endurance racing, every connection has to withstand extreme levels of stress, heat, vibration, and high speeds. LOCTITE plays a critical part in our build-up process and gives us the freedom to focus on performance, knowing that the structural integrity of the car is taken care of. It's a small product with a huge impact on safety and reliability. We're not just trying to build a fast car. We need to build one that finishes the race.
Excitement that comes with racing also brings certain challenges and a certain amount of risk. It makes high demand of the drivers and high demand of the technical capabilities of the car.